Welcome to another episode on Matti's Cartoons. Please subscribe if you haven't done it already. Today, boys and girls, we are gonna build a plane and have some fun with it. Stay tuned. Hello boys and girls, Captain Rob is speaking. We have a problem, our engine is not working and the fire is coming out of it. We need to go to the airport and fix it. Are you with me? Mayday, mayday, mayday. This is flight 123, Captain Rob speaking. During the emergency landing, our left engine is on fire. Over.
Flight 123, I hear you. You can let in our airport. Take emergency lane. See you on the ground. Over.
Thank you, Tower. Over. This is Captain speaking. Boys and girls, I've contacted dispatcher at the nearest airport. We will be making an emergency landing shortly. Thank you. This is Captain speaking. Please fasten your seatbelts. We made it, boys and girls. Let's go have a snack while they fix our plane. Do you guys know what color are those baggage carriers? Let's start with that one. Is that yellow? No. Could that be green? I don't think so. Is that red? Yep, it is red. Okay, what about that one? Is that yellow? No. Blue? Yep, that's blue. This one is yellow and that one is green. Good job, guys. Now we will help forklift operator to place our cargo. Alright, now let's put parcels on the red buggy. Do you remember which one is red? Now let's find a blue buggy and put bags on it. Which one is it? Oh cool, we have bananas. Bananas are yellow. Let's put them on the yellow buggy. Which one is it? One buggy left. What color is it? Let's put computers on the green buggy. Thank you, Forklift Matt, for unloading our plane. Let's check how our repair is going. Hey Joe, do you think it will start? Good job, guys. Thanks for fixing our plane. engine is working and installed. All we need is a jet fuel and we will be on our way. Thank you for being patient. Always safe travels, boys and girls. Thanks for watching. See you soon on another adventure.